Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Lait Selfie 24H Booster Tone Body Milk. No need to make up before using Snapchat anymore. Lait Selfie 24H Booster Tone Body Milk is designed with a brand new innovative formula that acts against excessive melanin formation and acts against dark spots and other discoloration. It effectively lightens the face and body, moisturize and protect the skin. Selfie 24H Booster Tone Body Milk mainly targets dark spots and hyperpigmentation, thereby giving you a radiant, flawless skin. This lotion lightens your skin without giving you stretch marks, green veins, hyperpigmentation. This product is often compared with other luxurious and highly remarkable products. It is also made with hydrating and high-performance ingredients designed to restore youth to your skin through nutrition. It contains a unique signature herbal complex ingredient that helps to ease the skin's aging process, relieving irritation and helping to reduce the appearance of scarring and stretch marks. This product is available in a variety of lightly perfumed fragrances. Your skin will feel velvety, radiant and conditioned after just one use. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.